Hi everyone, this is Samuel from Zoom. The LiveTrak L12 Next is built to let you record and build songs right on the mixer, layering parts as you go. With Overdub Mode, auto punch in and out, and the file select function, you can create full productions without ever leaving the L12 Next. To start, install a microSD card and create your first recording. When Overdub Mode is turned off, every time you press record, the L12 Next creates a new project and records all active channels together. Turn Overdub Mode on, and now you can keep working inside one project, adding new takes on top of what you've already captured. In Overdub Mode, the channel selection buttons control what each track does. On lit, that channel is ignored. Green, the existing audio on that channel plays back. Red, that channel is armed and will record a new take. You might set your drums and bass channels to green so that they play back, then set a guitar or vocal channel to red to record a new layer on top. To fix just a small section, you can use the auto punch in and out. With Overdub Mode on, press the auto punch button, set where you want the recording to start and stop, then press record. The L12 Next will play back from before that point, automatically record between your punch in and punch out positions, then return to playback, replacing just that part of the take. You can also punch manually by pressing the record button during playback or using an FS01 foot switch for hands-free control. The file select button lets you bring in more material to layer with. Press file select, then press the channel selection button for the track you want to load onto. You can then browse the microSD card and assign a WAV file from another project or from files loaded onto the SD card from your computer. This makes it easy to add backing tracks, stems, or pre-recorded parts into your song. As you build up layers using overdubs, punch-ins, and imported files, you can keep adjusting your mix, including EQ, panning, effects, and levels until the mix feels right. When you're done, press the mixdown button to render everything to a stereo master file. Choose quick mixdown or real-time mixdown if you want to ride faders and effects while it records. For more information about the LiveTrak L12 Next, check out the other videos on our YouTube channel and visit our website, zoomcorp.com. Good luck and enjoy creating.